All right, everyone, lights out. I'm quitting YouTube. I'm packing out, and thanks for being a sub and watching. I'll see you guys later. No, in all seriously though, I will be taking a small break from YouTube because right now I'm working on a lot of other side projects, and also with this release of Gutenberg, a lot of plugins and themes are just not working properly. So I realized that right now would be probably the best time for me to take a break. I've been doing YouTube for almost 2.5 years now, and I have never taken a break from YouTube. And I'll be taking maybe like a one month off. So I will be coming back in January, and I will be introducing a new Divi tutorial. Yes, I'm going to be talking all about Divi. I'm going to be working on WP Friends, and I'm actually going to be working on my secret project. I'm making my own WordPress theme. That's right. I'm making my own WordPress theme that's going to be available on wordpress.org. And right now, it's going to be at the bottom. Or when it first comes out, it's going to be at the way bottom. So when you go to latest, it's going to be somewhere like right here, less than 10 active installs. And we need to get it up here to #1 spot. All right, we need everyone's help there. Tell your friends, saying, Darrel's making a WordPress theme. It's gonna be crazy. We're talking about like 10 header options, different blog layouts, one-button importers for WooCommerce. Just something that you've never seen in any free WordPress theme. We're gonna go there. We're gonna push the envelope here, and we're really gonna push and push WordPress and bring it out to a whole new level. So I'm really excited for it. But it is a hell of a lot of work. I didn't realize that these themes were that much work, and it's that much work. And also I'm working on WPFriends.com. Now those will be open in January. So we're slowly fixing it, but with the pushback of Gutenberg, and also this theme is still in beta, we're still working out bugs and glitches and really trying to perfect it and make it really good. And I have tons of videos out. You guys can check out my other videos, but I'll be gone for maybe 3 weeks. So if you don't see me post for about a month, I'll come back in January with a Divi tutorial, and I'm gonna have templates for everybody. Yes, I'm gonna have templates that I designed myself that you can actually use, and you'll see the talent of Darrel Wilson's web design skills. Now, another thing that I want to talk about is that since I'm taking a break, I know a lot of people have gotten the Divi theme, and people are very eager to learn how to use it. Now, my buddy Mac over here on Mac University actually has online courses for Divi as well. Now, he also has courses for Photoshop. He has courses for virtually like anything like tech related, and I would check out his Photoshop course. He does cover some stuff in it. So right here, he has a monthly plan, and you can pay $17 a month, or you guys can do his lifetime membership, which you pay $249. Now, if you decide to use lifetime, you can use the code. I think it's DLR50 or DRL. I'll put it right here on the screen. All right, and that will give you 50% off the lifetime membership. Now, most of his courses I've seen and taken are pretty good. He covers everything very thoroughly. People don't have that much questions. Now, if you do have questions, you actually get you can actually he'll reach out to you, and you can actually have a talk with him, engage with other community members to get help, just in case you're learning Divi or you're learning, Photoshop or something else, and you want to, kind of increase your skills and your knowledge about it. I would take these courses, and he's constantly adding more courses in. He's constantly bringing new stuff to the plate. So if you do get the monthly, you have to realize that you get access to all of his courses plus any future upcoming courses as well. So that's where the kind of monthly basis kind of kicks in there. So ultimately, it's a great deal. I mean, for the amount of knowledge you're going to get, it is definitely worth that price. So be sure to check out macuniversity.com. Again, he has free tutorials. He has other tutorials as well, because I will be making a Divi tutorial, but that's not until January. So if you really want to learn it right now, that would be a great option for you. So again, just some news that WP Friends will be up sometime in January. Hopefully, I know there's so many bugs and glitches with all these new updates and themes. It's really hard to push for January, but I'm really going to try to push for January because ultimately the site's ready. We're just kind of fixing bugs and glitches. Also, the WordPress theme. Remember, it's down here. All right, it's going to be at the bottom. All right, it's going to be in the trash, and we got to bring it to the top of the mountain. All right, we got to bring it way up there. So I'll have more news about the WordPress theme coming out a little bit later. I think right now we're starting to design the actual templates that you'll receive. Yes, you do get free templates just for using the theme. It's gonna be insane. It's gonna be great. And then we're gonna have one-button importers for the blog, one-button importers for the WooCommerce, and we're gonna have a lot of them. And we're really just gonna kind of blow the competition out of the water. We're really gonna get aggressive. And these guys that are watching next door, they're gonna be like, oh crap! Now they're gonna have to do something better, because that's how competition works. Because these themes right here, they're good and all, they're great, but we can add more to it. And then customers are going to say, well, that theme over there has this, so what are you going to do now? And then they're going to improve, we're going to improve. So a lot of these themes haven't updated. I mean, Ocean WP and Astra, they haven't updated in years. I mean, I haven't seen these guys release any new features for their themes in years, and we will be having feature updates. Believe me, we will be having feature updates, and we're going to, just like Divi's doing it, we're going to be kind of pushing our own feature updates every month to constantly push the envelope and make these guys, you know, wake up, you know? So anyways, be on the look for that. You know, right now we're really developing it, and it's a hell of a lot of work. Jesus, it's so much work. And also, make sure to check out any tutorials I have. You know, if you have any questions, a lot of people ask me questions in the comments about, well, how do I make a membership website? How do I use Elementor? How do I use Divi? And I actually have videos for all of them. They just don't look. In fact, someone asked me, I get this question a lot actually, where people are saying, how do you make the Divi or the video where you're in the background and the screen's up there? I have a video for that. Yes, I do. I have a video on how to make a YouTube video. So it's there. You just got to go to my channel. And then people, they're like, okay, go send me all the information and email it to me. And I'm looking at them like, no, it's in my, if you want it, you go get it. What the hell am I, your chauffeur? You know, like, you know, I know they're new, they need help, you know, but you know, if you want to know something, you got to go out and get it, you know, but the knowledge is there, you know. So again, guys, thanks for being subs on my channel. I'll be back in maybe 3 weeks to a month, and I will be presenting a brand new Divi theme tutorial. We're going to cover everything. So I know Divi has evolved a lot. So I realized that, you know, I really need to cover a lot and be very thorough, because I want people to walk away knowing how to use everything in the Divi theme that they have to offer, because there's a lot of stuff they added, okay? So again, guys, have a Merry Christmas. Have a great New Year's. I might make another video for Christmas, you know, but I'll be lurking around. I'll be looking at comments, and I'll be on my Facebook posting stuff, and I'm starting to use Twitter, so I'll be on Twitter as well. And yeah, so anyways, guys, I will see you all later.